My friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With tight schedules, who doesn't like quick recipes? When I entertain, fast and easy appetizers are what I prefer to make. I spend enough time cooking a beautiful main course and baking a scrumptious dessert. The last thing I need is to focus on the first course. Here's a great one I'm sure you'll love. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Baked Greek Pita Wedges. Not only are they quick and easy, but also very tasty. With simple, healthy ingredients, these little wedges are perfect for any occasion. They deserve to be on your menu. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add Greek yogurt, some crumbled feta cheese, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll stir until the ingredients are mixed, pressing down on the cheese with the back of our spoon to break it up. To this, we'll add Greek seasoning, and to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add pressed garlic, fresh chopped mint leaves, freshly ground black pepper, and olive oil. We'll stir again until the mixture is nicely blended and somewhat smooth. And like I always say, don't forget to taste and adjust if necessary. Next, we'll spoon the feta mixture on pita and spread it out evenly with the back of the spoon. We'll transfer to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. We'll remove from the heat and cut each pita in quarters. Then we'll add a few tomato pieces and some sliced black olives before serving. And my friends, these are our Baked Greek Pita Wedges. Very easy to make. These are deliciously ideal for entertaining or as a mid-afternoon snack. In 20 minutes or so, you can enjoy them with a nice glass of wine. Is that quick or what? I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!